Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best long-range drones, unleashing aerial excellence. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. GEPRC F10. Unleash the GEPRC F10's potential for FPV freestyle excellence. Its 10-inch frame houses a formidable 2.5W 5.8G VTX, EM3115 kV 900 motor, and Taker BLS 80 AESC. Precision and power combined, offering pilots an exhilarating long-range experience. With responsive controls and a robust build, this quadcopter is the choice for those seeking the thrill of high-performance freestyle flights. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Manta 10X Lite. Elevate your aerial storytelling with the Manta 10X Lite. This 10-inch BNF drone is engineered for extended flights, heavy payloads, and cinematic precision. The inclusion of an analog 5.8G VTX ensures seamless FPV connectivity, letting you capture breathtaking moments with confidence. A perfect companion for cinematographers pushing the boundaries of drone capabilities. DarwinFPV Darwin129. Experience the DarwinFPV Darwin129, a 7-inch 4S FPV racing drone in PNP configuration. Fueled by a potent 2500 and 1800 kV brushless motor, this drone delivers exceptional speed and agility for competitive racing. Its long-range capabilities make it an ideal choice for those seeking intense racing thrills over extended distances. Please consider to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. GEPRC Tern-LR40 HD O3. The GEPRC Tern-LR40 HD O3 redefines long-range FPV with its 4-inch frame housing a Taker G4, 45 AAIO, GPS, and Speaks 21404 motor. This quadcopter seamlessly blends power and precision, offering an exceptional platform for extended freestyle flights. GPS integration adds navigation capabilities, ensuring a smooth flying experience. Immerse yourself in the world of your outdoor aerial exploration with the Axisflying rechargeable headlamp. Boasting both for long-range and red light options, it becomes an essential companion for camping VTX technology. The built-in 3,400 mAh battery ensures lasting power, captures stunning visuals, making it an indispensable FPV experience, illuminating your way through the night and enhancing your overall camping experience.